Hello, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to discuss material pricing. The math for material price is really simple. The cost equal to quantity times the unit price, although the unit price will depend on a number of factors. So this is the quantities from the takeoff, and we're going to apply some of the waste percentage. Let's work out one item for footings and pads. The waste we're looking at is the quantity times the waste factor. So we're looking at a 14 cubic yard extra. By combining the original quantity with the waste, we now have adjusted quantity. Drag down the formula on both columns. Let's take care of the accessories. We're taking the quantities now, including the waste for the ready mix. Seems like we need a plasticizer everywhere. So what we do is go to the top and then adding up all the volume. Hot water will only apply to the topping. So we take the quantity from the topping. And accelerator, we need that on the slab. To take interior slab on grade, suspended slab, and the slab topping. Let's look at the quote. One thing to notice is that we already combined all the ready-mix volume according to their strengths. Now let's work out the price for the first supplier. For 3000 psi, we're looking at 361 cubic yard at $115 per cubic yard. Before we press enter, remember we want to copy all the formula to the next supplier. However, we don't want the column B to move, although you can definitely move down along the line. So what you can do in the first formula is to add a dollar sign before the letter B, indicating we still want the quantity from column B by the time we change to the next supplier. Now press enter and drag down on the column. Now let's do the copy and paste. Let's add up the numbers at the bottom. To do the sales tax, just to take the subtotal, multiply that by the tax rate. If you don't want the sales tax to move, you can just simply add a dollar sign before letter C. This way, the formula can be pasted to the next supplier. Go ahead and summarize the subtotal with the tax. Now we're getting the quote for ready mix, accessory, and also with the tax included. To do the same thing for the other supplier, now you can see who is actually low. Finally, let's think about, is it possible to do everything we discussed in one sheet? Now you are looking at a combined sheet, everything from the quantity adjustment, environmental charge, accessories, and sales tax. Did a comparison also on two suppliers. This concludes our short tutorial today for concrete pricing. Thank you for your patience, and we'll see you next time.